From the street pa lang, alam mo na very secured yung village. Yung properties no, na nasa loob ay secured, no, and tahimik yung place. Alam mo na agad na parang nasa city ka do, pero yung feels mo parang wala ka sa city. Yung amoy nung mga dahon, no, yun yung parang nakakadagdag doon sa relaxing calmness vibes niya. And once na nakita mo na yung house, no, yung in front ng house, it's not too flashy, pero alam mo na agad na ano siya, elegant siya. No, with the lines, itsura niya modern contemporary. Yung pagkakagawa sa kanya, alam mo yung design niya magla-last for a lifetime. It's timeless. So, pagpunta mo sa door, pagbukas mo pala ng pinto, yung feels pala na pagbukas ng pinto, alam mo na agad na premium yung quality ng pagkakagawa niya. No area wherein you will feel suffocated or very tight. It's well lit by natural light. Pagpunta mo dun sa living room, you will see agad, no, the view of the city, yung overlooking view of the city. And you can notice this part of the city, this part of the view, it will not be obstructed in any way because yung land area niya, yung topography niya, it's sloping downwards. So, secured ka rin na walang maitata yung bahay or structure in front of it that will block the view. The house is located in Park Ridge Subdivision. This subdivision is in Antipolo. It's in a sweet spot because it's near the city, and at the same time, though you're near the city, you can still enjoy the province vibe, the nature vibe of the place. If you're interested or if you want to see the house in person or you just want to inquire about it, don't hesitate to send us a message on our socials.